Welcome to Hose and Rubber's short course on identifying pipe threads. So that's one of the things we always want to do is verify with our customers they're talking about pipe thread. If they're actually measuring the outside diameter of the thread, or if they're familiar with how pipe thread works. One of the things that you need to understand with pipe thread is pipe was first introduced into the market. It was measured by the inside diameter, and then threads were put on it. So a 3/4 inch pipe had 3/4 inch inside diameter, and then a thread was put on it so that they could be connected together. So when we're measuring pipe to see what pipe thread size we have, the general rule of thumb is to just add 1/4 inch to the inside diameter, or the outside diameter would be 1/4 inch bigger than the 3/4 inch pipe. So 3/4 inch pipe's gonna measure about 1 inch. 1 inch pipe's gonna measure about 1.25 inches outside diameter. 1/2 inch would be 3/4 inch. 3/8 would be 5/8 of an inch OD, and 1/4 inch pipe thread would measure about 1/2 inch. As somebody brings in pipe thread, you would just need to identify that it's tapered, which means it's a little bit smaller at the top than at the base. And you can get a measurement, but it's going to be not super accurate like when you're measuring a straight thread. So this 3/4 inch pipe would measure about 1 inch outside diameter. Then the key is knowing how many threads per inch the threads are. So you take a look at a pipe thread chart, which you can find pretty much anywhere online or in a thread identification booklet. And 3/4 inch pipe thread should have 14 threads per inch. So we would find the gauge that has 14 threads per inch, which is right here. It's stamped with 14. We would measure, put that up to the threads, make sure that the peaks are meeting with the peaks in the gauge, which it meets perfectly. So we know that this is 3/4 inch pipe thread. 1 inch pipe thread would measure 11.5 threads per inch. So we would find that gauge, put that in there, and it measures up perfectly. So there's no light coming through at the top of those peaks. We know that that's 1 inch pipe thread. 1/4 inch pipe thread has 18 threads per inch. So we want to find that gauge and measure that, which mates up with that perfectly. So we know that that is 1/4 inch pipe thread and has a 1/2 inch OD. 1/2 inch pipe thread has 14 threads per inch, which is the same as the 3/4 inch pipe thread. We measure up there, and sure enough, that's not letting any light through there. It mates up perfectly, has a 3/4 inch OD, so we know that it's 1/2 inch pipe thread. Thank you very much.